ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Honourable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honourable Governor of Karnataka, Shri Tawarchand Gehlot ji, all distinguished guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my pleasure to be here with you, surrounded by the splendor of the 43-acre Boeing campus near the International Airport, as we witness the launch of two important Boeing initiatives by our Honourable Prime Minister. This occasion adds yet another feather to the illustrious cap of Karnataka, a state that has consistently stood at the forefront of technological advancement in India. Karnataka proudly holds the title of being the fourth largest technology cluster globally, ranking first in the India Innovation Index and leading in total exports among all Indian states. Our state is home to 400 of the Fortune 500 companies, excelling in R&D centers, renewable energy, and earning the well-deserved recognition as the startup capital of India. The abundance of the talented workforce and skilled manpower makes Karnataka the natural choice for technology and knowledge-driven industries. It is no wonder why the state is the preferred destination for investments, and I wish to reiterate our unwavering commitment to providing a conducive ecosystem for businesses to thrive. In our pursuit of an investor-friendly environment, we have crafted sector-specific and pro-industry policies. Today's inauguration of the new Boeing India Engineering and Technology Center campus is a testament to our continued dedication to fostering an ecosystem that propels progress in the global aviation sector. I am particularly pleased that Boeing has chosen to establish this expansive facility near the International Airport, an emerging hub for numerous future developments, including aerospace and defense. Karnataka has proudly held the mantle of being the aerospace hub of the country, commanding over 65% of aerospace and defense exports. This new endeavor by Boeing will undoubtedly create more opportunities for our talented professionals to work on global scale projects, aligning seamlessly with our vision of enabling development across the state. However, our commitment to progress extends beyond technological advancements. It includes a commitment to inclusivity and accessibility. To this end, we are dedicated to empowering our girl children and women across the state. Karnataka has long supported the indomitable spirit of women and their invaluable contributions to our society. I am especially thrilled that this launch of Boeing Sukanya program is not just a milestone for Boeing, but also marks a significant project for women in aviation. So with this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.